So Veda, V-E-D-A, Vlogust, what does that mean? That's what we're going to talk about today on the vlog. Let's get to it. What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. We're back in the office again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say thank you, everyone, for your support and watching these vlogs. It's such a blessing to me. If you want to be encouraged in your own Christian life and see what it's like for a missionary to live on the mission field, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. For those of you that are new, my name is Trent Granger. My family and I are missionaries serving here in Zacatecas, Mexico. We love serving the Lord here. It's so much fun. We want to bring the culture to you and let you experience it with us. So Veda, Vlogust, what does that mean? Those of you that are familiar with the YouTube community, familiar with vloggers and such like that, you're going to know what this is already, but I'm just going to explain it to you real quick just so you get a better idea of what we have prepared for this month. We're super excited about this month because it's Vlogust. It's August, I'm a vlogger, you put it together, you got Vlogust. It's actually a challenge for vloggers. So let me tell you about it. So Vlogust is, or Veda, vlogging every day in August. So this month, I'm super excited and extremely nervous. I am going to put up a vlog on my YouTube channel every single day in the month of August. Some of them are going to be super exciting because we've got some exciting days coming up in this month of August. We've got a trip to Michigan. I'm going to be preaching at a Teen Boys camping trip. It's going to be a lot of fun, but you're going to see some of the mundane days as well. Some of those days that missionaries have that are not that exciting. But we're going to try to do our best to make it exciting for y'all. And I hope that y'all find some encouragement in these vlogs, and we're able to bring encouragement. We're able to help you bring growth in your own Christian walk through these vlogs, along with just making them fun as well. So anyway, that's the announcement about this month. I hope that you guys follow along, and I hope you enjoy the journey that we're gonna go on through this month of August. We're gonna hashtag it Vlogust. So anyway, we'll catch you guys next time right here on the vlog. We'll see you later.